In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads to Lemlist using a CSV file. Whether you're new to Lemlist or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth import of your leads database. First things first, let's navigate to the Lemlist dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your email campaigns. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Contacts tab. This is where all your lead management takes place. Give it a click and you'll find yourself in the section where all your existing contacts are listed. Now, we want to add new contacts, so our next step is to click on Import New Contacts. Don't worry if this is your first time doing this. Lemlist provides a very intuitive setup to guide you through the process. Upon clicking Import New Contacts, you'll see an option that says CSV Import. Select this option, as CSV files are a commonly used format for exporting and importing large amounts of contact data. Once you've clicked on CSV Import, you'll be prompted with an option that says Click to Upload or Drag. This is where you'll need your CSV file ready. If you've got the file open on your computer, you can easily drag and drop it into the designated area. Alternatively, you can click on the area, which will open a file browser for you to navigate to and select your CSV file. Before proceeding, double check if your CSV is formatted correctly. Typically, your file should include headers such as name, email, and any other relevant information you want imported into Lemlist. This ensures that when the data is imported, it populates the correct fields in your Lemlist dashboard. After you've uploaded your CSV, you should see a preview of the leads to be imported. Take a moment to review these entries. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking on Continue. This step is critical to ensure you don't accidentally upload incorrect data, such as duplicates or invalid entries. Once you hit Continue, Lemlist will process the CSV file and integrate the data with your existing contacts. Depending on the size of your file, this process could take just a few seconds to a few minutes. When the import is complete, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful addition of your new leads. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import your leads into Lemlist using a CSV file. With these new contacts successfully uploaded, you're ready to start crafting your email campaigns and reaching out to your freshly imported audience. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. For any additional questions, be sure to consult Lemlist support resources. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.